Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to leave WhatsApp group without anyone knowing. Now let's begin. Simply open up the WhatsApp application in your mobile device. As you can see, I have already logged into WhatsApp. If you have not, do log in right now. Now here's a group that I'm a part of. I'm gonna go to the group right here. And for instance, let's just say I want to leave this group. Let's focus on that. At the top right here are these three icons: the video call, audio call, and this button called as more. Simply click on it and these options will present themselves. Now there are lots of options, but worry not. What you have to do is simply go to group info. Once you're in the group info page, well, as you can see, there are lots of options like mute notifications, custom notifications, media visibility and everything. Just scroll down till you find something called as exit group. Click on this button right here and it's gonna show you something like this. Only group admins will be notified that you have left the group. Well guys, as you can see, others won't be notified except the group admins. Simply click on exit and there you go. We have successfully left a WhatsApp group without anyone knowing except the admins. Well guys, that's it. That's how you leave WhatsApp group without anyone knowing. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.